Hi, welcome to my channel. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner, and if you've already subscribed, welcome back. This video is focused on Arduino Mega2560, MegaADK, ADK for Android development kit, but no Android involved, and this one is the Arduino Uno. If you've seen my last video, you will notice a change, being these two wires. Here I have the Arduino Mega2560 powered by USB. That means that by my wiring I am now wiring through the power to this breadboard, which powers the Uno. So that saves one power source, and what I also want to do is wire this one through to there, which will also save one power source. So let me start by doing that. And now you can see I have added two more cords with the red power to here and the black ground to here, which indeed by blinking of this LED shows that this USB now powers 3 boards and 3 parts of electronics. So with that the focus changes to data, and for that I'll use screencast. So next segment is screencast. As I said in the introduction, the focus is to do some analysis on the stored data, which is here being read and received from the Arduino, from this Arduino actually, so the Mega2560. However, the way that I did it in the past was not with any of these Arduinos, but with the Arduino Young, which has gone out of focus, no longer working. So, can I do it? According to something that I found on the internet, yes, but I need a different program in addition. Not this serial terminal. So to open this one I have to open the serial monitor, but I have to use processing, and using processing read everything that comes from this USB cable to the computer. So let's see now how that works out. And of course things don't go the way they are assumed to be going, because the manual or the tutorial tells me to go to Sketch, then import a library called serial. And of course this screen doesn't look at all like the tutorial I am using, and there's no serial available. And when I just type this in, then it should be alright, but it doesn't import, and this should be red like this one is. It is not, so this is not really working. Class serial does not exist. So I have to look a little bit further. Alright, coming further step by step, and that means in this case that I had to change mode from Android to Java, and in the meantime I added the R mode. But first of all, I could suddenly import the serial stuff. Then from the example from the website, so I did not write these comments I have to figure out if it is actually port 2 that I'm listening to. According to this one, yeah, I don't know, it says TTY ACM1. In other ideas with the Raspberry Pi, it's called USB 2. So I am not quite sure if this is going to work, but I am going to try. And then this makes things go appear here. So let me first upload this stuff, which I changed into MegaADK edition and Uno edition to make sure which one is from where. Go. And I just hope that it will work out. Okay, done uploading. Then let's make sure that this indeed, okay, that is fine. MegaADK and Uno tells a lot more than pin 30 and pin 28. Fine with that. Now let's go here and run, or TTYS, okay. Now that's an interesting one. Incorrect serial port. Yeah, I know, because it's not called S1, it's called ACM1. So how do I change that? I'll have to find out. Okay, looking further into examples, I find that print array serial dot list shows actually here a list of available ports, which are quite a lot. And as this one shows, I actually would need the 0 index. So what I have to do, going here, instead of 2 I have to use 0, and that should do something. Okay, stop this and run. Port name cannot be resolved to a variable. No. Yeah, it can be, because I have defined port here. Port name, okay, wait, that's my mistake. Port name. Stop, run. See. Now I'm getting things in here. And lots of them. And from here I probably can store things in Toolbox, because this is on the laptop. So I can probably, hopefully, open a file and write it to it. Interesting progress. Yep. Okay, to end this, I try to actually store some things to a file. In order to do that, I have to use print writer, which made me think, where did I see that before? And yes, it is Java, which I don't like. But in the tutorial I'm following, they use it, so apparently I have to look for a C method. Anyway, print writer output, so you say okay, output print line value. They also use flush and close, but I'm getting errors on it before even trying it, so let's hope that this is going to be alright. And let's see output, and where did I write it? Oh yeah, output create writer data.txt. So somewhere I should find data.txt with contents that are written here. Let's go. Stop. Okay. So now I have to look for something, some text called data.txt. Hopefully it's somewhere there. I should have given here some path to nowhere, but I haven't done that, forgot it, so hopefully it's somewhere I can find it easily. Alright, I have found where they are. Because I changed the data file name from data to Arduino data, and they are both in this directory. However, this shows no data, and neither does this one. So when I want to do something, I apparently have to close the data file, and I will say output dot close. It says consider adding identifier, but if I say okay, go, it says unexpected token. So I'm not quite sure which one. Maybe I have to use, well, I'm actually not sure what to use, because this is what the tutorial tells me. So that is for another time. And from another camera point, I say thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please leave a comment, a suggestion. What can I do better? What should I do? What is nicer to do? Please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or IBAN, and for PayPal you don't need an account. For IBAN, please see my website, and you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. This is obviously continued. Stay safe, take care, see you next time, bye.